Welcome back to Auto World, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking addition to the Lexus lineup, the all-new 2025 Lexus TX. This luxury SUV is here to redefine sophistication, performance, and family-friendly design. Stick around as we explore what makes the TX a game-changer in the SUV segment. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Lexus TX exudes elegance and power. The signature spindle grille has been reimagined, giving the TX a bold and commanding presence. Its sleek lines and sculpted body ensure aerodynamic efficiency while maintaining a luxurious appeal. In those 22-inch alloy wheels, they add just the right touch of sophistication. Step inside and you're greeted by a world of comfort and innovation. The Lexus TX offers 3 rows of seating, accommodating up to 7 passengers with ease. Every inch of the cabin is crafted with premium materials, from leather upholstery to wood and metallic accents. And for tech enthusiasts, the massive 14-inch touchscreen with Lexus interface keeps you connected and entertained on the go. Or through the hood, the 2025 Lexus TX comes with a choice of powertrains. You can opt for the standard 3.5-liter V6 engine, delivering 275 horsepower, or go hybrid with the TX 500Ray, which offers enhanced efficiency without compromising power. With Lexus's signature all-wheel drive system, this SUV is ready for both urban commutes and off-road adventures. Lexus takes safety to the next level with its latest suite of advanced features. The 2025 TX comes equipped with Lexus Safety System 3.0, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pre-collision detection. Plus, the heads-up display and digital rear-view mirror keep you informed without taking your eyes off the road. The 2025 Lexus TX comes in 3 trims: TX 350, TX 500, and TX 550. Pricing starts at $55,000, with top-tier trims going up to $70,000. It's already making waves in dealerships across the country. So if you're in the market for a luxury SUV, the Lexus TX deserves a top spot on your list. That's a wrap on today's review of the 2025 Lexus TX. What do you think of this stunning new SUV? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to Auto World for more exciting car reviews and updates. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.